This is a nature walk, and I just want to allow them to speak to you. You have to care for nature and their habitat and all the wild animals that live here. They need a home too. They don't belong in zoos. They don't belong in circuses. They don't belong being caged up. They belong being free. And we need the trees. We need nature and all that grows out of the earth. And we don't want pesticides on anything. It should be organic. Pesticides are not good for wildlife, and they're not good for you either. Also, you need to think about this. I don't like the idea of robots farming. And I think we all should demand that we know exactly if this is happening. And it should be on the package. Actually, we should just eliminate it. Mother Earth shouldn't be treated that way. She has to be treated with love and care. We're all here for a reason. We're all here to save our planet. As well as yourself, because there's no savior coming to help you. So, what legacy do you wish to leave when you leave this earth? What have you done? What have you left behind? What good have you done? Did you protect nature? Did you speak out for nature? What did you do? What did you do for others? responsibility for your own energy. I say this because I didn't even know what that meant when I was told that. And it's so important to take responsibility for your own energy. Because no one's going to do it for you. You see? It shouldn't be. Just have a heart for nature, for the wildlife. And the reason why you're here is because you are taking responsibility for your own energy. And you don't even know it. Just like I didn't know it when I first began. Just think about that. And thank Mother Gaia for how she sustains you and your family. And be kind to everyone. Because all are one. I hope you enjoyed this walk today. And thank you for being here.